is exciting. My first day driving around with a mounted GoPro. Nice. I need to get a couple more GoPros, that's for sure. Just notice my shift knob. Yeah. I checked out online which one I want, and I haven't found one that I like. I do need to get one though, because I can't stand this thing. It's not even comfortable for your hand or anything. Oh, by the way, happy Monday. Good morning, everyone. Mondays are exciting for me. And I used to drag him, I don't know why, because I guess it's a work day. But now, ever since I have this YouTube going on, my vlogs, ever since that started, good morning, officer, hope you're having a good day. Ever since I started YouTubing, it's been an adventure every day. So when Monday hits, it's a new week, and I'm excited because you never know what this week's gonna bring. So I was supposed to get my tires installed on Tuesday. So Monday afternoon, I called. Oh, my GoPro just fell off. Man, I called my tire guy Friday afternoon to confirm the appointment for Tuesday, and I also asked him, hey, will they come in on Monday? Because they'll be even better for me. So he told me to come in early afternoon, said 1 o'clock or so. Drop off your car, we'll get your tires installed. So, that's awesome. I get my tires today. My clutch seems to be working just fine. It feels like brand new. I mean, it's not even close where it was. So changing the slave cylinder was the answer to our issues. I have this to buy a upholstery shop because let me put my car in gear just in case. Okay. You see this right here? It needs to be fixed. On both sides I have the same issue. Just the thread, I mean the thread came out. I need to see how much it's gonna cost for him to repair it. See? And I don't like it. Okay, so look what I got going on here. You see this? On both sides, got the same thing.
Yes. Now, you know, the biggest thing with this, you know, you got a little bit of tear.
Right there?
That's for the window. You know, hits that. Now, you know, a man can take this off. And he can have this replaced. It's a lot of money to do that because the labor is in removing this and putting it on. You know, so you're taking a brand new top out of the box, putting it on, or you're going to go sew this old one and put it back on.
Okay.
So you kind of have to weigh your money.
Okay.
Is it more better to buy a new top and just put it on, or repair this one? Is the other side bad?
The same thing, except it doesn't have a tear.
Yeah. So now, because you know, this thing is in good shape.
Yeah. I mean, worst case scenario, I can maybe take the top off myself. I mean, I have a shop right here, but you know, right across from you guys.
You can do that. We can sew that back on, and then that's a good deal for you there. 150 bucks.
150 bucks?
And I'll change both of those, you know, on both sides.
Oh wow, that's a deal. 150 bucks to repair it. If I take the top off myself and bring it to them, they'll stitch the whole. They'll give me a new piece completely on both sides and get that repaired. I think that's the best bet, because if not that option, if they take off my top, that's $800 to $900 just taking that off plus the repair. So I'm looking at $1,000 something to get this little piece repaired. I mean, that's what it is. So I finally got a new YouTube banner. Please check it out on my YouTube homepage and comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the banner. I think it's pretty nice. Big shout out to Mr. Miles George. Thank you for helping me out. I love it. It's great. Awesome job. What's going on at Alltech today? I am preparing for a conversion. I got a truck coming in for tomorrow, so I want to continue to clean up my working area that we started in a couple vlogs back, and I had to go out of town. But I want to finish all this, so this is what I'm dealing with. I got all my tools in my bins right here, and I just gotta finish up seeing what's in there, what I need. That box I need over there. This I need to place in the proper area on my conversion cart, which is right there. I remember I told you I want to use this toolbox, and look at this. I gotta sort through and see what's happening here. Look at this, a lot of stuff missing. So I definitely need to get some more tools, and that will happen over time. So while I wait on a phone call from my tire guy, I'm gonna clean this area up and get ready for tomorrow. I stored away all my B&W parts, so this is all gone now. And let me show you where I put everything. This is where all my B&W parts are. Put them on the pallet, including my wheels. So we'll just keep this here for now until my car is painted and we can start assembling it. So I'm finally on my way to get my front tires installed. It's 4 o'clock, the truck came in a little late. I'm gonna have to say it again. Guys, make sure to check out my new banner on my YouTube homepage. Comment below this video, let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out really nice. Next thing I want to work on is I want to create a new trailer. I think that'll be a fun project and a fun time doing, or a fun time filming and editing. I'm meeting with the guy today actually to talk about it, so he can help me out because he has a drone and he can film the top, and he has some nice camera equipment. So I'll meet him tonight and see what he says. We are here. Check this out. These are nice.
So it's $249.
Boom. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you, Car Services, for getting me the new tires on. So far I love them. I'm pretty sure I will continue to love them. But anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give me that thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be converting a car. Peace out. Check out the steering wheel. Look at this. So smooth. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.